What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video. Taking a look at the Insignia 2.1 Bluetooth lighted speaker system that I picked up from Best Buy. This is a 3-piece system. Comes in black. The price is $49.99. I picked this up as a continuing my budget desk setup that I'm setting up. If you've been following my channel, I'm trying to get everything budget for it. But some pretty good stuff at the same time. So I did a little research on these, and this seems like a pretty good system here. So some of the product features here, this is compatible with most audio devices with a 3.5 millimeter outlet, such as your Mac and PCs. These are 25 watt total system power. It has 2 satellite speakers, Bluetooth connectivity, LED status indicator, with 3 colors for different modes, blinking blue for pairing mode, LED lights with 8 color modes, blue, green, red, purple, yellow, light blue, and repeating 6 colors as well. So I'll drop the link over for these down below. I end up having some points and stuff for my purchase. So I got mine for a whole big $21.98. So link will be in the description. Here's the box that it comes in. Insignia color changing 2.1 computer speakers with Bluetooth. You can choose between 8 different color modes. To help set the mode, connects with your wired and wireless audio sources, provides rich bass, 6 colors, headphone jack, 2.1 stereo. And then here's the back of it. You guys can see that. All right, so we're going to jump into the box, see what's all included here. So first thing in the box, you get your paperwork, quick setup guide. Also get a aux cable here. So you get your aux cable, 3.5 to 3.5. Cardboard. And here are your satellite speakers. So what I think I'm going to do, guys, is go ahead and just empty this box and I'll show you what's all in. And this is the content of the package. I just went ahead and emptied it out. There was a lot of plastic all over the place. So you get your quick start guide. So within this package, you got 2 satellite speakers, you got a subwoofer, you got a control pod, and you got an aux cable that is 5 feet long, and that is it. So here's your control pod, and if you guys can see, you have look like a volume up and down here. You got an on and off switch. You got a 3.5 millimeter head jack there. Another one here. Yeah, aux cable, headphone, they're marked on here. And then you have an input. That's a button there. And then you have some little feet on the bottom to help it not slide. So that is your control pod. And then you have your speakers here, your satellite speakers. Very lightweight. Got a little insignia on this one, both of them. And you have a switch here to change between your lights modes there. You got your 3.5 millimeter jack plug there, and then here's your aux cable. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get this plugged in. I'm going to try it out on my laptop and see how they sound. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have everything set up here. So what you have to do on the back of your subwoofer, the wire coming from the satellites has to plug into the back of the subwoofer. So there's a little slot right here, and this is where they plug in, just like so. This knob is for control your bass, how much bass you want, and that's what gives the satellite speakers their power as well. Here's your controller. As you see, it's flashing blue, so that means that it's in pairing mode. So I can turn this on and off here. You do have a headphone jack here. Have an aux cable here to go out to an external port there. And you do have, so it's asking me, do I want to add this speaker system? My laptop is, so we're going to go ahead and add it. Would you like to pair it? Yes. This is the Insignia NS 5004 BT, so I'm going to allow it. So it is now paired. As you see, the blue light has stopped flashing. And we'll get to this in a minute to listen at them. With the lights, as you guys see, this is a green color. Go ahead and lower the light here a little bit. So that is green. You press the button, you can cycle through your colors. That's off. So you got blue, green, red, purple, another light color green. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on blue for now. So if you hold this down a few seconds, it dims it a little bit. You hold it again, it brightens it. But there's no way to let them just cycle through. So that's that. Let's go ahead and check out the sound. Let's play a little music here and see what they sound like. So let's check out a little bit of Tanner So Lit here. I'll drop the link where you can get this cut in the description. So I can control the volume. Oh, they sound good, guys. Good bass. I haven't adjusted the bass on the back of it yet. Let me try that. Okay, let's see when the bass drops. Let's see how it sounds. Oh yeah, I lowered the bass. I'm gonna bring it back up or take it away. That's not as much bass, so check this out. I'm gonna leave it right there. I like it right there. Oh yeah, these do great for my little setup over there. Yeah, these sound good, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop the music. And I want to pair these with my Microsoft Surface Duo here, since it doesn't have a headphone jack. So I'm going to go ahead and pair these and see how it sounds as well. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have it paired with the Microsoft Surface Duo. So we're going to check out some music here and play a cut and see how it sounds. Volume is max on the Duo. And I can control everything else from here. So lower it down. Oh yeah, these are gonna be great, man. These are gonna be awesome with my desk setup. Just what I need. Great bass, great highs, got great lows, great mids, and I haven't even went in and tinkered with them yet. So I just adjusted the bass, and that's it. So all right, guys, the Insignia 2.0 color changing computer speakers with Bluetooth. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.